passe par la droite.
We're gonna go to the park. So, sabi niya, hello guys. Sabi ni Ellie, hello guys. Para siya nagla-livestream. Sabi, hindi binati ng tatlong yun. Nag-hello guys sa kanila. Yung malalaking yun. Oo, hindi nila iniisip na mag-i-English na ng hello guys. Oh, we gonna eat na? We gonna eat na? Okay, we gonna eat. We gonna eat. Oh, that's dirty. Oh, it's dirty. So, what's inside? Oh, wash your hands first. Oh, wash your hands. Okay. Can you give me your hands, please? Oh, wash. Wash. More wash. Wash. Okay. So, what's next? True. Ellie, look at your box, oh. Look at your lunch box. Wow! Is that yours? Wait, baby. Yogurt. That's your pot.
Anita.
You eat na, Ellie. Come here. Oh, chicken dips. Ellie, what's that? That's dirty. That's dirty. Ellie, oh. Teka lang ha. Sasabihin yan ha. Ano? It's okay. Yum. Ayan, teka lang. Pinakain ko muna si Ellie. It's okay. It's okay, baby. You. It's still hot? It's still hot? Oh, now it's cold. It's cold now. You can eat na.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why? You taste it. Again. You taste it. Kasi masarap yung... kasi hindi ito McDo.
And the guy.
Why you don't like it? Oh, no. Fries. Any fries. You don't... Ay, man. Sige. Chicken dips? Okay. Kautos siya talaga ang huwa. Ellie, look at my box, oh. Look, baby. Look, oh. Lola have mozzarella, chicken, and I have dips, I think. Yun, papakita ko makain ako ng I'm eating mozzarella. Look. You're eating chicken dips? Yum. Yeah, there's more. Go, baby.
因为我买的上来才晚好以后，我才开始去拜访的。
Ellie. Ah, yeah? Come here. Kinakausap niya yung batang maldita. Up. Stuck. Wow! Amazing! Are we gonna go there? Curfew ka? Michael, may curfew ka?
Oo, may curfew yan.
Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah. Teka lang, hindi. Ito, para makita si Elio. Neneng.
Anong bilhin namin makain niya dyan?
Ay, tita, doon tayo sa Tuileries. Titingnan natin kung anong pwedeng kainin.
Ah, sige.
Ano, mga Greg nandun, ano eh.
Ah, meron. Ayun pala. Ano to, si Neneng. Ay, tita, saan yung binili yung ano, yung pompot niya na may Paw Patrol? Neneng, nakita mo yung Paw Patrol niya, no? Yung dog niya na blue? Yung Paw Patrol? I know. I'm asking Wawarut.
Saan binili? Saan galing? Dito galing or dala ko?
Binili niyo yata yung kompot. Dala namin, kompot.
Dito yun.
Hindi ko alam kung saan yung binili kasi 3 prutas na gustuhan niya. I'm telling to Wawarut where did he bought the ano. Kasi sunset in Paris.
Napagod na.
Wow! I know, baby.
Wow, you're dirty. Oh la la.
Toto, it's not the sand of the beach, ha? It's different.
Oh la la, it's dirty. You need to wash.
Ellie, that's different, ha? Hindi nalilinis siyang buhangin dyan, Totoy. Buti na lang may wipes tayo. Nako.
Wow.
Ellie, don't put it in your mouth, ha? That's dirty. Okay. Gusto niya na naglalan. Okay. Just be careful. Naku po. Be careful, baka may babasagin, Totoy, ha?
No.
Naku, yung palang gusto niyang laruin.
Dapat pala itinong sa ano. Back ng sun.
Eh,
Back asab.
oo, sub na po.
Diretso pa tayo?
Dito yan. Ay, tita, may slide ba? Para may slide dyan. Ay, tita, may slide. Kita kasama kayo sa vlog, ha? Ano ko to? Hanggang August 24 lang pala to, tita. Haba ng pila ng churros, oh. Churros pa lang yan. Ay, I want that. Ko, tita. Parang... Pardon. Doon na kaya tayo, tita. Tita, sabit niyo yung ano? Po? Tita, sabit niyo yung bag niyo dito? Sabit niyo? Hindi ba pwede? May sabit. Ayan, para maano. Pag may nakita yan, tita, may ikukwento yan. Ilakad nyo lang, may ikukwento yan. Tingnan nyo, tita, ha? Tingnan nyo, tita. Alam nyo ba, naglaro sila ng amin. Wow! Do you know how to play that? Do you know how to play, Ellie? Do you know how to play? Zuzurong. Tingnan niyo, alam niya, tita. Tingnan niyo, alam niya. Humihingi na ng ano, tita. Tingnan niyo, humihingi na, tita.
Ano, kunin din. Ano bang bilhin din?
Tita, dito lang ako. Ay, may harang pala. Una ko sana. Ellie, 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 go get, yay! Get the blue. Yay! Bravo! Bravo Lola! Bravo Wawa! Yay! Ellie! Ellie! Wee! Oh, wala na naman. Wee! Wee! Ellie!
The one here, it has to shoot here. Voila. This one action like that. Voila. Doesn't like that.
You can see your face, oh, Ellie. Oh, wow!
Voila. Whoop. Voila. More. Voila. More. You do it.
You did. Go. Go get. Oh, go get. Wow. Ay, again. Yay. Ay. Iya ba yan? Yay.
More.
Asa ka na pa rin po yan?
Ang dumi naman ng mga ano.
Kailangan punuin niya yan, tita? Oh, you go. Go. Oh, go. Like that. Whoop. Oh, ay. Oh, go. Get. Wee.
Itong init ang trabaho.
Kuya, huwag kang humarang dyan. Parang mas malapit na dito, tita. Tutulungan kita, tita. Hapot na lang. Ayun yung chicken nila. Chicken ba yun, tita?
Alin yung bruschetta?
Opo. No, ayun po. Chicken ba yun? Ah, chicken nga. Oo nga.
High volume.
Am I really that?